What is up, guys? So in today's video I want to share with you something super simple but something that's helped me to do something and not be wasteful. So let me go ahead and show you what it is. Okay, so here it is basically. What I do with my bananas is usually when they start to get too ripe, or not too ripe but ripe enough that you know that you're not going to eat whatever this is, 7 bananas all at once. What I like to do is I take Ziploc bags. So these are just regular sandwich bags. If you want to be even further, I guess not wasteful or whatnot, you could, I'm sure, use a Tupperware if you'd like. But what I like to do is I'll peel my bananas. So, of course, I mean, there's nothing new here about peeling bananas, but I'll peel my bananas, and I can usually fit about 2 of them in each Ziploc, a sandwich size Ziploc. So I'll go ahead and I'll put them in here like so. Again, nothing fancy or nothing complicated, but what I do is I use these because I freeze them. And when I put them in the freezer, I can use them at a later time or a later date. And I have perfectly ripe bananas. And usually, rather than using ice cubes or something in some of my smoothies that I'll make with water, so my protein shakes and whatnot and smoothies, I can actually use these frozen bananas to cool down my drink so that it's not a warm drink. So basically this is the procedure. Like I said, nothing complicated, nothing hard. But I like to do it rather than throwing the bananas away, like I said. Just helps me to feel a little bit better about buying them. I mean, it doesn't cost me as much money in groceries, and I just don't like to be wasteful if I don't have to. So, and you can see how fast it is here, so it's not anything that takes you a long time to do or get done. So, you can see just how ripe these are. They're pretty much ready, so I just break it in half here. So, but yeah, I guess whatever portions you guys like to have for your drinks, of course, you basically just divide them up. Maybe you only use half a banana, so you'd like to freeze it in the half portion size. But this is this. And here's the last one. And then I actually have some frozen ones, so I'm going to show you. So let's get this last one done. Last one is done. So basically we have our mess. We have our bananas sealed in the Ziploc bags, like so. So pretty much 2 of them fit comfortably in there. So there we go, and then we got one single one there. And let me grab a frozen one for you. So this is basically what a frozen one will look like. So frozen one's all ready to go. It doesn't turn brown or any weird colors, but basically you can put this into a drink, a smoothie, a slushie, whatever type of drink you want to make. And you have an ice cube and you have a banana, and you didn't have to throw it out. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's very simple, but it's something that's helped me to not be as wasteful and save some of the bananas that I otherwise would have thrown away. So basically, you take the bananas, put them in a Ziploc bag in whatever portions you desire, and from there you just freeze them and they're ready to go in whatever slushy drink or anything you prefer. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up for me and subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot more videos on other things that I've just come across along the way of, my relatively young life, but this is stuff that interests me, so I want to share everything that I know so far with you guys. So take care, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.